That a long and winding road would appear in the sky. Wow, what a long road! I can travel anywhere in the world on this road. I wish I had a red truck. That my truck could go for a drive on the long, winding road. Who is that standing next to the road? It's a little puppy who's all alone. I wish that the truck would come to a halt and take the puppy dog home to his mom. And up. Puppy, the truck will take you home. Thank you, truck. You've come all the way to the puppy's kennel, and there's his mom, who's been waiting for him to come home. Now we can continue our drive. Just fell down onto the road. Be careful, truck, that you don't run him over. Be careful. Oh no, your wheel has fallen off. Don't worry. We will find you a new wheel. So that you can carry on driving. Goodbye, truck. Have a fun drive. Good night.